The Steinwinter Supercargo 2040. Engineered by German designers in 1983, this was a radical and bizarre truck concept. Instead of a traditional cabin, engineers created an ultra-low profile chassis standing only 117 centimeters tall. The entire cabin was placed underneath the semi-trailer itself, looking like a sleek sports car carrying a massive container. The design maximized aerodynamics, but the project was abandoned because drivers felt unsafe sitting so low to the asphalt with multi-ton loads directly above their heads. The Caterpillar 797F. This is a literal moving building constructed by American engineers for extreme surface mining. Standing over 7 meters tall and powered by a monstrous 4,000 horsepower engine, this giant holds the record as one of the largest dump trucks on Earth. A single tire costs $40,000 and stands twice the height of a human. The massive metal body carries an astronomical payload of 400 tons of solid rock in a single trip. The Shockwave Jet Truck. This is the undisputed triple-engine monster of the drag racing world, engineered to destroy speed records. This modified semi-truck features 3 massive turbojet engines salvaged from military fighter aircraft, generating an astronomical 36,000 horsepower and 21,000 pounds of thrust. This aluminum beast accelerates at a terrifying speed of over 600 kilometers per hour, requiring military parachutes to slow down safely. The LeTourneau Overland Train. Built by American engineers during the Cold War, this was the longest off-road vehicle ever constructed, designed to transport military supplies across Arctic deserts. Measuring an incredible 170 meters in length, this steel centipede featured 12 cargo cars powered by a gas turbine. Every single one of its 54 massive rubber tires had its own independent electric motor inside the wheel hub. The Nicolas Tractomas TR 8x8. Heavily engineered by French military and industrial designers, this mechanical beast holds the Guinness World Record as the largest and most powerful conventional heavy haulage tractor in existence. Weighing over 40 tons, this armored truck is powered by a massive 12-cylinder diesel engine. It was built specifically to pull monumental industrial components like entire power plant turbines across extreme desert terrains. The Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025. Developed as a glimpse into the next generation of global logistics, this advanced prototype looks like a spaceship on wheels. The front grille features a smooth panel embedded with thousands of LED lights that change color depending on the driving status. The core innovation of this white Leviathan is its autonomous driving intelligence system, allowing the multi-ton machine to navigate international highway networks safely without human intervention. These monstrous trucks remain brilliant examples of how extreme transport necessity can force automotive engineers to completely rewrite traditional design rules.